Snow time. Snow times guys. Ito yung kapaligiran namin ngayon. Ito ay snow time. Talaga. First snow. First snow in November. First snow in this year. Ang ganda nila tingnan, no? Ang ganda tingnan ng snow. Super lamig. Ito yung trailer namin. Maghahakot na naman kami. Tingnan mo naman. Christmas na Christmas talaga. Ito ang Christmas dito sa amin. Grabe ang snow. Tingnan mo. Talagang ano talagang snow. Hello, David.
Hola.
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 That is my husband. Hola, hola. Hola, my husband. Oh, the tractor. Ready for blow away the snow. Oh, see?